नमस्कार. आरडीएक्स गोवाच्या कोंकणी खबराचित्रांत तुमकां सगळ्यांक दिपाली नायकाचो येवकार. सुरवेक पळोवया गोंयच्यो कांय मुखेल खबरो. गोंयचे सुपुत्र दोतोर जयंत शरद वैद्य हांच्या नव्या संशोधनांतल्यान संवसारांतल्या कॅन्सर दुयेंतीक एक नवो आशेचो किरण. कासावले पंचायतीच्या ग्रामसभेन थळाव्या लोकांनी रक्ताचे ठसे लावन मोपा विमानतळाक उक्तायला विरोध. रक्ताचे ठसे लायिल्ले निवेदन मुखेलमंत्र्याक भेटोवपाचो थाराव जालो समन. कदंब बस स्थानकाचेर कोयर एकठांय करपी कामगारांनी संप केल्ल्यान बस स्थानकाचेर ह्यो कोयराच्यो राशी. कदंब महामंडळाची आडंबर. हेल्मेट घालिनासतना महामार्गाचेर गाडी चलोवप्याचेर जातली कडक कारवाय. आनी गांवांत घडपी घडणुकां विशीं जागृत रावन पुलिसांक म्हायती दिल्यार गांवांत गुन्यांव घडचे नात. उपजिल्लोधिकारी सगून वेळीप. आतां खबरो विस्तारान. गोंयचे सुपुत्र दोतोर जयंत शरद वैद्य हांच्या नव्या संशोधनांतल्यान संवसारांतल्या कॅन्सर दुयेंतीक एक नवो आशेचो किरण दिसता. ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सराची उपचार पद्दतीन बऱ्या तरेन वेवस्थापन करूं येता. आतां ह्यान फुडें सदांच रेडिएशन घेवपाची गरज ना, तर हें रेडिएशन शस्त्रक्रिये वेळार ऑपरेशन थिएटरानूच दुयेंतीक दिवं येता, अशें दोतोर जयंत वैद्य हांणी आरडीएक्स गोवान दिल्ल्या मुलाखतीन सांगलां. हे विशीं तांणी मुखेलमंत्री आनी भलायकी मंत्र्या कडेन भासाभास केल्या आनी हें तंत्र गोंयांत विकसीत करपाची सरकाराची तयारी आसा अशेंय तांणी मुखार सांगलां. भारतीय कॅन्सर सोसायटी, मुस्कान आनी मणिपाल हॉस्पिटलाचे जोडपालवान घडोवन हाडिल्ले एडवान्सेस इन ब्रेस्ट कॅन्सर ह्या परिशदेच्या उक्तावण सुवाळ्या उपरांत ते उलयताले. आरडीएक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान यशवंत परब.
I am very keen to keep in touch with Goa Cancer Society. I did a lot of research with my father, Dr. Sharad Vaidya, and in tobacco and other things, and I am keen to continue this. Dr. Shekhar Sarkar is actually taking forward the Note India very, very well, and I am keen to continue the tradition which is. Women with breast cancer don't have to go for radiation every day. For 6 weeks, they can have the radiation in the operation theatre, and this is most important for women in India, where going to Bombay, stay for 6 weeks, 1-2 months is not a good idea. They can have the lumpectomy and radiation at the time of surgery. And I met the chief minister and the health minister, and they were very keen to have this technology in UK, in Goa.
In Goa.
And Shekhar Sarkar and other people are also very keen. I met the people in Goa Medical College. This is last year, and they said money is coming, and that time they will introduce this machine, which is very much cheaper than standard radiotherapy machines. And with this, women can have lumpectomy for cancer, radiation during surgery, and that will be the end of the treatment. My father was very proud when he knew this was happening back in 1996.
Actually, as a Muskan group, we have just attended a breast cancer survivor conference in Pune. And as we were returning back, we were just brainstorming about what should we do for a pink month in Goa. So, fortunately with us, there was a survivor with us who happens to be a Sharda Mandir principal herself. So we asked her whether her children would be able to, kind of show their creativity. Because we create a lot of awareness about breast cancer in Goa. As an extension of that awareness program, we thought of tapping the creativity of children, giving them a campaign to kind of brainstorm the message. To spread the message, or wanted to tap their creativity of what they know about breast cancer and sensitizing them about breast cancer. So they have come out with this fantastic posters, and
it was great to see that they had so much of potential. And I would always tell the women of Goa
Through Muskan.
Yeah, through Muskan. One of the main mottos of establishing Muskan was to create awareness in Goa about breast cancer in particular. And I would ask the women in Goa not to be afraid of cancer, to forget the myth that cancer causes death, but to come forward, get themselves regularly screened, because if cancer is detected early, it can be successfully cured.